Longtime viewers of WBZ have seen meteorologist Barry Burbank cover storm after storm through the years.
Now, he may be retired, but just couldn't resist the chance to contribute to our coverage tonight.
Hi, everybody. I'm back. Last time you saw me at the end of January 2022 when we were getting a similar storm, lots of powder snow. Not so much here in this storm north of Boston, but certainly a lot south of the city, that's for sure. It reminds me back in 2015 when we had 4 huge storms right back to back. We had more than 100 inches of snow in more than a month. I remember the team did a great job forecasting that. I was still working then, and the WBZ Next Weather team did a good job on this forecast as well. So in any event, spring is about a month away, so something to look forward to. In the meantime, stay safe, and excuse me while I get ready to go do some snow tubing.
Every time I see Barry, he makes me smile, one of my favorite people around.
And we love to see him still having fun with the weather. We'd love to be tubing with him right now, but we've got some work to do.
How great is it to see Barry?
Barry's always got the right attitude. You know
Always.
what? You can't do anything about the weather except for make the most out of whatever the weather is giving you, and you got to get outside. The only way to get through these things is to get outside. Today was tough in spots, obviously, with the wind and the blizzard conditions. I know where Barry lives. It wasn't as bad then. So, good afternoon to get out and try to make the most of it.